Hi, welcome back to another episode of the You Can Do It channel. I'm Annie, and behind me is a bathroom that we have not finished. It's the only room in the house that has not been done yet. So you'll see where we have started the demo. We've taken down some walls, taken out some insulation, some sheetrock where we had to do some repairs. But from this point on, we are going to then start putting it all back together. So you will join us in the process as we start. What?
Well, what's going on out here?
Are you closet eating again?
Well, I was just trying to eat my Hershey.
I'm trying to do a video. Are you ready?
Are we doing it now?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, hey, let's go.
All right.
Let's do this.
Oh, boy.
How's my hair? Is it good?
Hot. You're hot. All right.
So this is the bathroom. It used to have a lot of wallpaper in here. We tried to remove some of it, and it's not easy to get off. We tried a steamer, and it's not coming off as easy as we thought. So instead of replastering the wall, we're gonna show you a different technique on that. But for today, we're gonna come in here and we're gonna start blocking out for glass shower doors, sliding doors in your shower. We're gonna be prepping for a prefabbed steel shower base. We're not gonna do a hot mop in here. We're just gonna go with a shower base. We removed a large window that was in here. There used to be a fiberglass tub that took up this whole area. It really was hard to get into the tub here. And then there was a large window that was here that also took a lot of the privacy out of the bathroom. So we reduced the window to a smaller window, and so now we're gonna block out, insulate, and sheetrock.
Why are we blocking out?
We're blocking out for the shower doors, and then towel racks, and then the toilet paper holder, so we're not using mollies in the sheetrock.
Yeah, most people forget about that until the sheetrock is already done, and then they realize they have no proper backing. So that is the task for the day. Stay tuned.
So I purchased the shower pan. I brought it in here because I wanted to get an idea of where this wall was going to be placed. I had to fur this out 6 inches to shrink the area here where the shower pan is going to be placed. And then also you want to get an idea of your sheetrock, because the sheetrock, the moisture resistant sheetrock that's going to go around the perimeter of the shower, you have it's not a real tight fit, but it's snug, so it fits in there nice and snug all the way around. So I brought this shower pan back in the house here, not only to figure out where my backing is. I had to put some extra backing on the right side of the shower and the left for the sliding glass doors. So when we go to install them, the track system, you've got enough backing in the wall to install it. A lot of people don't remember to do that, or some folks don't. A friend of mine, he forgot to put backing in, and when he went to put the wall or the track in, he had to come up with some sort of a wood, surface mounted wood. It was a little funky, a little bootleg, but you don't want to have to do that. So you want to make sure your wood is in the wall, plenty of wood. And then also too, you'll want to get an idea where your drain's going to go. I've ran a circle here with the pencil and got a crosshair. I ran a screw into the subfloor here, so when I go underneath the house, I can get a general idea of where my drain is going to get tied into everything else, and if there's anything in the way. So that's a good way of trying to figure out where your drain's going to go. Like I said, we furred this wall out about 6 inches in order to shrink the area in here for the shower and to get the plumbing. I wanted to have the plumbing all in the wall here, but this is just the way this is going to work out. insulation and sheetrock.